So create table. Then we have customer ID. That is int. Primary key. Then customer name. Batch 20. Then phone. Batch 20. Then email. Batch 50. Then close. So this is for customer table. Done. Then the other table I say we should create is the product table. Product table. So for product table, create table products. Then we have products underscore ID, int, primary key, products name, voucher 100, then price, decimal, which I explained in the last class, 10,2, then stock int. So that is for products. Then we have sales. 1 minute, somebody is joining the class. Let's add a person. Then we have the sales table. So how do we create the sales table? Don't forget, I told us that for the sales table we have 2 foreign keys there. We have create table sales. We have sale underscore ID, int, primary.
Hello, Mr. Dan.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, good evening. So that stock, in my own, I put not none. I hope it will not do anything.
No.
It's okay. It's all right. Okay.
ID, int, then products. Int. Quantity. integer. Then what again? We have still dates as dates. Then we have the foreign key. For customer ID, then reference customer ID, customer table, open bracket, customer ID. So the next foreign key, open bracket, products, ID, then reference references products underscore. Is it underscore I use there? Is it underscore I use there? I'm not sure it's underscore I use there. Done. Have I run these products? Okay, that is five tables. So for those that are unable to do it, maybe they're just joining us. I will send these three, send to the WhatsApp.
Let's go.
Can we go on? Can we go on? Are we there? Would I move on? From your end, move on, okay? So she's representing everybody with that too. She's representing everybody. That should move on, so I'm moving on.
Mr. Daniel.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Sorry, when I created my sales table,
Okay.
and I didn't include, what I had in my code was just sale ID, int. I didn't include the primary key, but the command was completed successfully. So I hope it's not a problem.
But you know the importance of the primary key?
No, I'm not sure I do.
Who can tell us why the primary key is needed in this class? Madam Chidera, tell us. Somebody should tell us. Informer, tell us why the primary key is needed. This interactive section now. This is not a YouTube live. This one you're interacting with me. So let's interact with ourselves. Madam Chidera, are you there? Informer. So you got what she said. It's very important. What she noticed is very important. What she did was very important too. She said she did not use the primary key. Hope no problem. So me, I want you to explain the importance of that primary key to her. She said she did not know. So who can tell us?
I don't even know how to explain it, but primary key
Just
is
try.
very important. I think it's more like the sales ID. That is what you're going to link the customer and the product ID. Now showing the sales ID as the major key, like the primary key too. So then the whole thing is, I don't know how to really put it. But then if you don't use primary key, it's not going to work out though. I don't know, but primary key is quite important, yes.
Yes. She tried. Let's clap for her. Please to take my mic. She tried. Informer, you're running away from your answer. Don't want to tell us the answer. So, ma, the foreign key, it helps to make that rows unique. That means we cannot have the same sales ID. But if you omit the primary key, if you omit that primary key, that means you can have the same person that have same sales ID, which is not good. You get?
Sorry, Mr. Dan. Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't know what I was thinking. Actually, I understand the whole thing now. I didn't actually know what I was thinking. So I was thinking, I'm seeing the primary key, the customer ID and the product key and product ID. Sorry. I get the whole thing now.
Okay, get the whole thing. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. So let's move on. The tables have been created. The 5 tables have been created. So we are going to be doing instruction into it before we move into. So let me just show us the overview of this course. So this is it. For those that have the basic understanding, you see maybe some of them, if not done some of them. So here, that's introduction to database, introduction to server, then installation, basic SQL syntax, data type, creating database, creating table, which you have done, then CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, and delete. Then we have filtering. This is just the modules, so they are inside. There are subtopics inside. So here we have filtering and sorting data. Then module 10 we have SQL operators. We have SQL functions and calculation. Then primary key constraint, which I've explained. Foreign key relationship. Then we have join. Then group by, aggregation, subquery, nested queries. Then we have the view in SQL. So this view is very important, especially if you're working with integration. If you are integrating this server with Power BI, it's very good that you know how to use view. Then we have transactions in SQL, then stored procedures, then importing and exporting data, and SQL server security and backup, then RD, which is entity relationship diagram. It's also very important, very, very important. We have database design and normalization. So we have SQL for data analysis. Then this is what I was saying, SQL integration with Power BI. Then real-world SQL projects, SQL interview preparation. Then we have the capstone projects and career guidance and certification preparation. So that is it. You can see that it's not child's play. So once you know this complete, you don't have issue with SQL. You don't have issue with SQL. So button seatbelt. So let's move on. Let's move on. So we are going to be adding tables to, records to each of them using insert into. So if you want to insert new record, we use insert into table statement. So the insert into table statement is used to insert new records into the table. So we'll be inserting three records, just three records inside those tables. So we'll be inserting three rows on each table. 3 rows on the customer table, 3 rows on the product table, 3 rows on the sales table. Do we insert last week? No. We didn't insert last week, right? That is last class. Last class was on Monday. We didn't insert anything. So I'm going to drop the syntax. I'll drop it in the WhatsApp group. So for some of us that don't know the syntax for inserts. So I'll drop it. So like I said, the insert into statement is used to insert what? Used to add data into your table. So we use it to insert data into the table. So we have column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So in a case that you don't want to use this column, that means you want to insert into all the columns. Those are the two ways you can do that. That means you want to use all the columns. You understand? So let's work with the customer table first. Let's see the columns we have so we know what we are inserting. Let's work with the customer table. So we have customer ID, we have customer name, we have phone, then we have email. So let's do that. So insert into customers. So this is data entry. For some of us that want to pick a data entry job, these are some of the things you do. The database already been created, but you have to be putting in the information inside the table. So we have customer ID, we have customer name, we have phone, then we have email. So that is the columns we are inserting. So then values. So what is the value 1? Let's say customer 1 as the ID, the name. So I'm going to use John. Then the number, I'll just pick a number. Then email. Then value 2. So I'll use the Mary asks. Okay, you want to ask a question?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Um,
continue.
so Mr. Dan, I noticed that when you were declaring the variable names, you declared phone number as um a character,
Yeah.
and I guess that's the reason why it's being enclosed in.
Yes, yes,
in
yes, yes.
okay, so but what if it was declared as an integer? Because that's what I did.
If you declare it as an integer, you know that the zero at the front will not be there now.
Okay,
And also, you cannot use code, country code. Yeah, I can use country code,
okay, okay,
like plus 2 3 other stuff. Right.
okay, okay, okay.
So number three, we have Davy Smith. Then we have 081. One, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm just using number randomly. So comma, let's just say David at gmail.com. Okay, the number of rows. There's one thing we are missing. There's one thing we are missing. Let's see. Let's check that table again. Oh, so let's start from customers. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, check. 4. Customer ID. Um, Mary. Mary. The number of columns. What do we use for customer table? Customer name 20, phone 20. Okay, let's just do that. 1 2. 1 2. Invalid column name. Customer ID. Customer name. Then phone number. Phone. And email. 1 2 3. Done. So I'm sending this one to you. Send it to WhatsApp for those that want to type. Send it to you. So let's confirm. So the names have been added. The names have been added. So for the second one, you can add that one later on. The products, can add products, can add products, which is that one. We have sales, can add sales also. Add sales, can add products. So, or should I do another one? Should I insert another one? Or is something you can do? Should I do another one? Should I insert products? Insert into products. So what do we have inside? What do we have inside the products? So let's start from products table. So what do we have in the products? So we have product ID. We have product ID. We have product name. Then we have price and stock. So let me just do this one. Then you can do the rest. So for those that joined, I sent a file. If you go to the WhatsApp, you see a file. I sent a file on the WhatsApp. Please download it. We are going to make use of it. Download that file. Please download that file. We are making use of it now. Okay. So let's go on. So for the products table, insert into products. So I have to bring out the columns. Product name, product ID, product name, price, then we have stock. We just do this, then values, let's say we have laptop, product ID 1, laptop, price 4 now, right? Stock 10. So then 2 keyboard, then 3 what's wrong with you? Three, we have mouse. Okay, 5,000 for mouse. Then 40. Done. So that is how you keep imputing. See, you complete the table you created. That is how you keep imputing till you complete the table you created. Hello? Are we there? So I've inserted into two tables. So we have how many tables left? We have 3. So we have 5 tables. So please, you can try and play with it. Try to insert, because we are going to use this stuff for this topic. Don't think we are done with it. Oh. We are using it for this that stuff. This ERD, that is the entity relationship diagram. So please, we are using this for this. Then we are still using this for join statements. Make sure you fill up the data. If I finish filling up my own, I can forward them to you. But make sure you fill up your own data, because we are using it for this. When we come to this part, we are going to use that table. This table we just created, these 5 tables. We're going to be using it for this EDR, that is the entity diagram. Take notes of it too. So, for the one I sent to us, I sent a data set called furniture sales. How many of us have imported it? So this is how to import. Please look up. If you are not active, look at how to import. So for this one, I'm going to leave this tab, then open a new tab. I'm going to open a new tab. I don't want to use this tab again. So let's open a fresh tab. A new query. Click on new query. So we use this one for basic SQL commands. We use this for basic SQL commands. But make sure you complete the insertion of that one. This one we are doing here. Make sure you complete it. I only did 3 rows. So I only did 3 rows. But make sure you complete the instruction of the records. Then I will send also, but make sure you do that by yourself. It's very necessary. So let's go.
Mr. Dan, how many rows are we supposed to have? Like, what's the
As many rows you can, let's just make it like 20 rows each, or 15 rows each, so that it don't be like much. You can do 15 rows each. 15. Just for purpose of class, purpose of training. So you can do 15. 15 rows. Minimum of 15. If you can do more than that, no problem. But minimum of 15 rows. So I'll show you how to insert. So it should not be issue to insert. To insert record should not be an issue. So to insert that data set I sent to you, I say you should rename it. How many of us have renamed that? I say you should rename it as furniture sales. So let me look for mine. Yeah, I went on desktop. Furniture sales. Okay, like this my here. Let me take a look at it first. Okay, that is mine. Furniture sales. So rename your own to furniture sales. So this is how you upload it back. Please look up how to import. How to import. How to import. That's what I'm showing you now. So if you want to bring in data, if you want to bring in data to the studio, you want to bring in data to the studio, this is how you do it. You right click on the database you're working with, you right click on it, then this tax, you click on tax. Am I fast? Okay, someone said,
Sorry, please, can you come again?
okay, I'm coming. Someone said I did not drop that um, products. Oh, okay, I'm back. So I said to import, come to your database. Oh, the database you are using is what? Complete database, right? You can also create a database. Maybe you want to start a fresh work. You know how to create database in Abi? Or we don't know how to create. Just type create database, then the name of the database. So let's create a database called company DB. So I want to put in that furniture sales now inside the company DB. I want to put in the furniture sales there. So first step, you right click on the database, you right click, then you click on tax. You can write the step down. You right click and click on tax. Then you click on import flat file. Use flat. Since it's CSV, you can use flat for it. So use flat file. So this is what it will open for you. How many of us are on the same page with me? Okay, go ahead. Then next, you click next. Then you browse for the file. You browse for it. So mine is on desktop. Mine is on desktop. Then open. So this is mine here. Okay, I already have it. So you continue like that. I already have this one already. Let me just use another one. Let me just use that other one I'm using. So that you can follow me. Let me use that one I'm using. Let me use this one. Then next. So this is the record. You can see this is the table. This is the table. Then next. So these are the, if you want to modify. So I'm not modifying anything here because the table has already been created. This is furniture ID. This is name. I can make this furniture ID primary key, but the table has been created already, so I don't want to do anything on this table. So these are the data type that was used to create this table. So I'll click next, then finish. You give it time to load. Then once you show operation completed and success, know that you're done with it. But if you show error, know that there is an issue. So Done. That is how to import. Importation, no issue, right? Please confirm. So to view the table, you can use select statement. We have two ways to use the select statement. This one returns all the records from the table. Select asterisk from the table name returns everything from the table. So let me refresh first. So the table is there. Table is there. Select asterisk from furniture sales. So this is it. This is my record. That is my record. That is my record. Should I go on? For those that are active, should I go on? Should I go on? So select statement returns, the first one returns all records. It returns all records. So if you want to return all records, that is what to use. Use select asterisk from table name. So this returns all the records. So let me add a note. Yeah. So the select statement is used to retrieve data from a database table. It's used to retrieve the data from a database table. And we have the syntax. Select column name, or the first one means that you're picking the columns. If you're not making use of that, you can use the one I just used now. Select asterisk from table underscore name. This is another method of selecting. This one retrieve all records. Why this one retrieve specific columns? So the columns you want to return back. That is how that one works. It retrieves specific column. So anytime you're asked to return all records, make sure you use that one. The asterisk means all columns. Anywhere you see the asterisk, it means all column. That is retrieve all. Why the first one, the column you are asked to return. Write a query to return name, price from the furniture table. It's very easy. Select name, that is you're picking the column, then price from furniture. So you can see this one, it gives you what the specific column. It returns the specific column that you mentioned. You can see I call out name, I call out name, then I call out price, name and price. So that's what the query return. So that is what it returns. So next topic, should I go on? Next, order by. So the order by sorts the results sets. So the order by sorts the result sets. The order by sorts the result sets. Order by sort the results sets. It can be from descending to ascending or ascending to descending. That is from A to Z or from Z to A. In Excel, it's called sorting. In Excel, it's called what? Sorting. Then in SQL, it's called order by. It's called order by in SQL. So let's look at how to use this. Example. Sort the price column from highest to lowest. Sort the price column from highest to lowest. So let's see. Select name, then price. We can easily bring out everything. We want to bring everything. We just say select asterisk, you understand, from table name. So that will bring out everything from the table. So this is select name, price, from furniture, from furniture sales, order by price, then descending. So you can see the price has been ordered in descending order. In descending order. Then if you want to do ascending, by default, you don't have to use the ASC. You don't have to use ASC. You can just leave it like this. This is ascending. This is ascending by default. And see, this is ascending by default. Then if you use ASC, it's still the same thing. You can decide not to use the ASC. Just put order by, then put the column. To still give you the same thing. So this is descending, and this is ascending. Please, if you have imported the file, let me see your hand. Have you imported the file? If you have imported or you're having issue reporting, let me know now. Wow, so successfully import. Nobody? How many of us try importing? If I'm having imported.
No, Mr. Dan, I'm not importing it. I'm just going through it.
Okay, later on you can work on
Oh,
it.
yeah, I'll watch the YouTube again and I'll start it. Because I don't even know that I can't find the data set. It's not any data set in the group. I don't check there.
It's on the platform now, WhatsApp.
It's not there. I check.
Are you sure? It's
Yes,
there
ma'am.
now. It's there. Furniture 100. It's there. Check.
Trinity.
I sent it before that voice note. Somebody draw a voice note.
Okay, I've seen it. Somebody. Okay, yes, I've seen it. Alright, no problem.
Okay, so I'll move on. So that is how to sort. You can sort in ascending or you sort in descending order. You can sort from highest to lowest, then from lowest to highest. So this one now, this example 2. Is lowest to highest. So that is it. For those that join, the 2 topics we've done now is what? Select and what? Order by. So order by and select. You said select, order by, sort the result set. either ascending or descending order. Either ascending or descending order. So move on. Distinct. Let's move on to distinct. What do you understand by distinct? If you know it, distinct. So distinct is like unique. It removes duplicate values. It removes duplicate values. Distinct removes duplicate values. So if you look at this column, let me show you something. So this is 100 rows. You can see chairs are repeating multiple times. Now let's say we are asked to get the distinct value. You can see the chairs like multiple. They want to get the distinct value. Want to know how many types of categories we have. Just it should return just one each. You understand? So if many products belongs to the same category, each category appears only just once. So let's do that. Let's see. Select distinct category from furniture sales. Select distinct category for furniture. You can see we have how many distinct? We have just 5. We have 5 distinct categories. So let me just drop a little explanation here. So each category appears only once. Each category appears only once. Each categories appear only once. So next topic, where clause. So the where clause is used to filter records in a table. We use the where clause to filter record in a table. and it helps us retrieve only the rows that matches a specific condition. This is for record. Select is for what column? Please take note. So without where, SQL returns all records from the table. So if you do not use where, SQL will return all the record from the table. Without where, SQL returns all record from the table. So businesses uses the where clause. One, if you want to find the expensive product, check the lowest stock item, view product in a category, analyze customer behavior, filter sales record. So if you are employed as data analyst, those are the things you can use the where clause to do. So let's assume that you are the data analyst of this company, furniture sales, and you want to make use of where. So these are the business usage of where clause. You can use it for finding the most expensive, expensive products. You can use it to check low stock item. It can be used to view products in a category, analyze customer behavior, and filter sales records. So it helps analysts focus on only relevant data. Please take note. The where clause helps analysts to focus on what? Only relevant data. So I'll give you the two syntax. The first one is this, returns the column. Then the second one, you can pick the columns you want in that one. So here, you can select all the columns. This, you can pick the columns you want. Here, you can select all the columns. Then the condition. So here, you have to add the condition. So that is that on where. So let's look at some of the example. Example 1. Please, any question? Example 1. Display all chairs. Display all chairs. For those that are in the class that is active, can anybody assist me? Display all chairs. Anybody? Anybody? Based on the syntax given to you. And where clause uses comparison operator, less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. So using these comparison operators. So for this, how we're going to do this? We have to display all chairs. They need all chairs, only chairs alone. Who is bold enough to take the mic? If you're bold enough, take the mic. Who is active?
Mr. Dan,
Yeah, I want to try.
okay. This all chairs, I have to just drive back. I'm not really open the data. This
Okay.
chairs, is it under like a table? Like, is it under a particular column?
Yeah, let me show you so you can.
Select all for furniture sales.
So you can.
Okay.
This is the table.
Hold on, it's zoom it out. Okay, okay, that means it will not be select all from furniture
Okay.
sales. Where categories equals
Where category
equals chair.
equals So we have 28 rows out of 100. So out of 100 rows, 28 rows are for chairs. So this query now shows what? Filters, furnitures, item, where category is what? Is chair. You understand? So let me just put it. So this query filters so that is example one. Select asterisk does what? Show all, right? Select asterisk shows all. True or false? True.
True.
And where condition returns only chair. So let's do another example. Example two. Products above 100,000. Products above 100,000. What operator are we going to use?
Is this still here?
What operator are we going to use?
The where operator.
Which one? Out of, yeah, I listed them out.
Okay, where is equals to or greater than 100,000?
Above.
That means, okay, that's above. That's greater than 100,000.
Greater than. So we are using greater than operator. So let's go. Select. So I don't want to bring out everything yet. You can decide not to bring out everything. It's not compulsory to bring out everything. So just select the relevant columns. So I'm selecting price because price, name and price are the relevant columns in this situation. So select price from furniture sales, where price greater than what? 100,000. So we have how many? 31 rows. So 31 categories. That is 31 products are greater than what? 100,000. Are greater than 100,000. Done? Okay, so let's go on. Example 3. Still under where. What we are treating now is where condition, where clause. So take notes. This is the third topic now. Let me add this here. Why where is very important. It's good that you know it. You know why it's very important. Let me add it up here. So why is where important? Why is where important? One. Businesses use the where clause. Let's use the where clause. So one, find expensive. Why is it jumping for me? Why? Expensive products. Expensive products. So check low stock. Check low stock item. View products in a category. In a category, then analyze customer behavior. Then 5, filter sales record. So it helps analysts focus on only relevant data. So you can see that it's very important. So where you have to master it very, very well. You have to master how to use where condition. Then I've done example here. All items, all shell items, then price above. So let's say example 3. Let's just play around one again. Let's just do one more example. Furniture made with wood. So furniture made with wood. Furniture made with wood. This is example 3. Can you try again? Furniture made with wood. Furniture made with wood. Furniture made with wood. So let's say select name. Then we have material. Material. We have material from furniture sales, where material equals wood. So you can see we have 41 materials that are wood. 41 materials that are wood. Materials that are wood. So that is that under where clause. So next, up. For those that use a workbench, you can't do top. You do limits. Are you listening? Those that use a workbench, you cannot do top in workbench. You use limits. If you're using a workbench to write this, for top, use limits. So the top statement is used to limit the number of rows returned in a query results. The number of rows. So this one is mainly used in SQL Server Management Studio. Please take notes. Let me indicate it. It's mainly used in SQL Server Management Studio. So why is this important? Why is it important you know how to use top? Why is top important? Why is top important? Businesses use top to view top selling products. One, businesses use to view top selling products, display highest salaries, show best performing, customers, retrieve only a few records. From large data sets. So this improves performance and makes reports easier to read. Very, very important. Very, very important key aspects you need to know. So, first question, example 1. Display first 5 furniture items. Display first 5 furniture items. This is the syntax. So who wants to assist me? Giving you the syntax now. Who wants to assist me? Who wants to solve it? Who wants to solve it? Okay, syntax. Show you.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you will
Can you
select,
try?
select top number.
Select top
Top 5.
top 5.
No, sorry. Column name, the furniture, right?
Asterisk from the table name.
I thought this, but you said column name.
You know, if you put column name, you can pick the column. But me, I'm returning everything. I'm showing you. Yes. There is no column. They didn't specify any column there. They said display
From furniture items.
first
Okay.
first five.
Furniture items.
Yes. So that's why I
Okay.
use that.
Okay, I get it.
So let's run it. So this is it. So for you that you are using what is it called, workbench, select asterisk from furniture, limits 5. For workbench, this is for workbench. This is for workbench. So taking it out. Not doing workbench. Another example. I doubt somebody will get this one. This one, I want you to return um, name, price. Want to try?
Mr. Dan, does this one use the descending and ascending?
Yes, now use it. Yeah, use it.
So that means it's going to be select top three.
Select
Top three price.
3 price. No, top 3 name first. Name,
Okay, name
comma, then price
for
from
furniture. Yes.
west.
Descending order.
No, order by
Okay, order by
price.
then descending.
So that is the top 3. Example 3. Cheapest 5 products. Cheapest 5 products. Cheapest 5 products.
Still the same way, but this one will not be in ascending order.
Still,
Ascend.
will be ascending order. Okay, that means I can copy this one, right?
Yes.
His top 5, Sha.
Copy this, then change it,
And change to yes by
then I can decide not to put ascending now. It will still work. I told us. So let me put it. Yes, I say if you like, you don't need the ASC. If you like, well, if it's
okay.
that you put it or you not put it.
It's still going to
Yeah. So that is the cheapest furniture item. So let me show you something. Let me just use that example for. Let me just use that example for. I don't want to skip it. I don't want to skip it. So top with wear clause. Top with wear clause. So you can use top and wear clause combined together. can combine both of them together. Example, I can check, let's pick check as category. Let's say select, just giving you example, select top 3, name, then price, from, furniture, where, category. Can you see? By using the category equals check, order by, price. So depending on whether it's descending order you want to ascending. So it can, both of them can be combined together. So you can use it for category. So let's add category to this stuff so it will make more sense. So that's, so you can use it. So we've done how many topics now? Select, done limits, that is up top, done where, then distinct function. So told us that distinct returns unique. The distinct function returns unique. So take notes. So I'll stop here for today. So for the demo section, I'll stop here for today. I have to send this to the platform, then give you assignments.